Hi, so today is 22nd of June and it's 11:50 a.m. in the morning, and I was asked about to do a video on Reliance Industries because we know that in 2 days there's an AGM and there are a lot of people who are either very much interested in Reliance, and they already have taken some long positions and they want to know what would be a suitable target and what would be the next in Reliance. So one of the things is you can understand if you look for a monthly chart. Definitely Reliance made an all-time high and then it dipped and now is trying again to regain those 2400 levels. One thing for me is the day 2400 would be breached is the day I will allocate my chunk of my portfolio for Reliance, but till then I am not very much interested in making some big uh, positions in Reliance. Sorry, yeah. So this is something you can see. This is already a very good flag pattern. This is ongoing. Also we can see that this is also backed with a lot of volume here. You can see. So when this move happened, the breakout above 2050 levels, this was one of the trades which I traded and tweeted about, and then I closed at 2211 levels, I remember. And the 2211 was or 2205 levels. Again, I was looking for a trade for above 2211, and the main reason was it was already forming this channel. If you are able to comprehend and take part in this channel, so basically this channel was formed, and now you can see that multiple times it has faced resistance and multiple times, and this has been ongoing since June, I think. From here onwards, smart money already knew about, or they know about the AGM upcoming and the news, and so they created this bull, and as a result of which a lot of traders they entered around about 2200, and they are right now sitting at a 2% profit. But the main problem is this has been consolidating very much between 2260 levels and 2200 levels. So, and this has been ongoing for long, and now you can see one of the things is whenever it touches, it comes, it tries to take some support in the middle line, and then it eventually takes support in the channel. And this is also what's actually happening right now. So I think going forward, I would be very much be interested in looking for a dip around about below 2240 from here, and trying to see if it's able to get some support like it happened over here, and also it happened over here. And obviously I'm not telling you to short Reliance at 2253 because you should not be trading against the sentiment of the market and also sentiment of the company. But going forward, I think one of the tough decisions would be for you to take is the high which it can achieve is around about 2285 to 2290 levels, and right now you are at 2255. So basically you are going to, at max you are going to get 30 rupees for a sorry, for a 2200 script. So does it actually make sense for you to be in this trade, right? And on the top of that, I can really say that this will be a channel bound thing, and I really don't expect it to break 2300 definitely before the AGM starts. Or if it actually breaks, then theoretically it's then that would be a leaked news which the retailers will come to know later on. But going forward, I will be interested in 2240, and whether it would be this level, and whether it's able to hold this 2240 level. So right now I have no inclination of making any new position in this zone. It is having a very tight consolidation between 2245 and 2260, 15 rupees, and this is on an hourly chart. So I think going forward there's not much you can do over here if you are trying to look for any fresh position. What would be an interesting trade on this one? Well, I think one of the very interesting trade which I would like to take part, given the fact that if there's 2180 levels are breached or 2160 levels are breached over here, so I think that would be an interesting scenario for me over here. And 2140 levels, say for example, and above, as I'm saying that I see the only reason this breakout will come is only after this consolidation. And the good thing is, this has been consolidating for long. I know you might be thinking that I have some bias against Reliance, but that's not the case. Reliance is one of the top nifty companies, so definitely that's not the case. But the thing is, it has been consolidating without any volume, and then you can see a big spur volume came, which resulted in something like this. But from then, I can see that it has been consolidating. So until and unless it's able to move ahead of 2260 levels, and preferably for me 2230 levels, I really don't see much of a trading based so I don't see much I can do in this particular script. Now, definitely, if this was not Reliance and there was no sentiment, then one of the very good things you can do is you can very easily sell a 2100 put and say 2300 call, or you can also, I theoretically I expect the expiry around about 2200, so you can also make an iron corridor if you know that how options are, how you can make that. But yeah, I think this will be totally a range bound, and this is going to eat all the premium between 2150 and 2350. So this is one of the traits which might be of interest to you. And again, these are speculations. Please consult your financial advisor. But for me, since there's an AGM pending in 2 days, and there's a lot of positive sentiment about in Reliance, and a lot of people have a lot of trades. So basically, this would be interested. I would be. This would be interesting for me to have a look. The good thing which you can see, it's making higher lows, and this has been ongoing since 18th. So even when Nifty was correcting, Reliance was able to make higher lows, and now it's also higher. So you can understand this is the reason. Until and unless 2240 levels and 2235 levels are retested, we really can't say whether this high low structure is still ongoing. From what it seems like, this had a very nice fall, and then it recovered really good, and right now it's actually trying to move forward and trying to give us a move. But no matter what, I will definitely suggest, if you have positions, to if I was having positions from these levels, definitely I would definitely book my profits at 2290, and then again I will try to create fresh positions once 2300 is convincingly broken. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope this was helpful, and I hope this also gave a clarity about the questions you asked about making new fresh entries in Reliance as of 22nd of June. Have a nice trading.